Welcome to Compare to Win. The best garden books for kids is probably one of the most engaging ways to introduce young minds to the wonders of nature, fostering a lifelong appreciation for the environment and the simple joy of watching something grow, making it an invaluable tool for parents and educators seeking to cultivate curiosity and a sense of responsibility in children through the magic of storytelling and vibrant illustrations that bring the garden to life right before their eyes. Number 5. Little Hippo Books. Who am I? In the garden. Welcome to a vibrant garden adventure. Explore the wonders of nature and meet its delightful inhabitants. Can you guess who lives here? Each page reveals a new friend with a unique texture to discover. Engage your little one's senses with soft, tactile elements. It's a perfect way for toddlers to learn and play. From buzzing bees to hopping bunnies, this book is filled with adorable animals. Learn their names and feel their fur. Designed for babies and toddlers aged 1 to 3, this sturdy board book is built for little hands to explore. Looking for the best kids' books? This engaging sensory book makes a fantastic gift for any young child. What we like? This book offers a wonderful tactile experience for the youngest gardeners. Its focus on early learning and sensory exploration makes it perfect for toddlers. If you have a baby or toddler aged 1 to 3 and want to introduce them to the garden in a fun, interactive way, this is an excellent choice. What people say? Love the texture added to the book as well. Very sturdy and good for toddlers. Colorful, nice pictures as well. Fun little book with lots of sensory input for little fingers to enjoy. This is a great book with sensory parts, helps teaching babies about bugs in a fun way. Great quality. Number 4. Raised Bed Gardening for Beginners. Welcome to the world of raised bed gardening. This guide is perfect for beginners looking to grow their own food. Discover how easy it is to cultivate fresh produce right in your backyard. Achieve a sense of self-sufficiency with simple techniques. Learn sustainable practices that benefit both your garden and the environment. It's a rewarding way to connect with nature. We provide clear, step-by-step instructions to help you succeed. No prior gardening experience is needed to get started. Embark on a journey towards growing your own food and reducing your reliance on external sources. Enjoy the freshest ingredients possible. This comprehensive guide covers everything from building your raised bed to choosing the right plants. Start growing today. What we like? This guide is designed for those new to gardening and interested in sustainable practices. It specifically covers the benefits and techniques of raised bed gardening. If you're a beginner looking to grow your own food sustainably and efficiently, this book will set you up for success. What people say? Tammy Wiley's Raised Bed Gardening for Beginners book contains just enough information to keep it a one-weekend project, with well-spaced words and illustrations that make new concepts easy to comprehend. It has soft, smooth covers and 120 thick, colorful, square pages. There is also plenty of space for writing notes. On pages 10 to 11, there is a chart that explains how various plants work together. The Plant Friends and Foes chart is a clear, useful guide to plant compatibility for beginners. Number 3. DKR World in Pictures, Plant Kingdom Encyclopedia. Discover the fascinating world of plants. From towering trees to delicate flowers, this book brings the plant kingdom to life. Learn about the majestic trees that shape our landscapes. Understand their vital role in our ecosystem and their incredible diversity. Uncover the secrets of leaves and their essential function. See how they capture sunlight to nourish the plant. Marvel at the vibrant colors and intricate designs of flowers. Explore their role in attracting pollinators and creating new life. Understand the incredible journey of seeds. Discover how they carry the potential for future generations of plants. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals that showcase the plant kingdom like never before. It's a feast for the eyes for all ages. What we like? Explore the plant kingdom with incredible detail and vibrant visuals. This book offers a comprehensive look at trees, leaves, flowers, and seeds. If you or your child are fascinated by the science and beauty of plants and want a visually rich reference, this encyclopedia is ideal. What people say? The book is filled with colorful illustrations and easy-to-follow instructions, making gardening accessible for young children. It covers a variety of topics, topics, from planting seeds to understanding plant life cycles, providing a comprehensive introduction to gardening. The activities are engaging and hands-on, encouraging children to learn through doing and fostering a love for nature. Number 2. The Great Garden Escape. Tired of the same old view? Imagine stepping into a lush, vibrant oasis right outside your door. It's time to transform your outdoor space into a personal paradise. Discover the joy of cultivating your own beautiful garden. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, we provide the tools and inspiration you need to succeed. From vibrant flowers to fragrant herbs, create a stunning display that will delight your senses. Experience the beauty and tranquility that only a well-tended garden can offer. Design a space that reflects your unique personality. Create a cozy nook for reading, a lively area for entertaining, or a peaceful retreat for relaxation. Don't just dream about it, live it. Begin your journey to a more beautiful and fulfilling outdoor life. Your great garden escape starts now. What we like. This book tells an exciting story set in a garden, perfect for sparking imagination. It's designed to be an entertaining read that captures young readers' attention. If you're looking for a captivating narrative to encourage a love for reading and gardens in children, this adventure is a great pick. What people say. This book was adorable with really great rhyming, illustrations, and riddles and clues that even made me think at times. It kept them entertained with the clues and also reviews vegetables at the same time. Read this to my kids and they have so much fun solving the clues and following along. Great engaging book. Number 1. Gardening for Kids, Learn, Grow, and Get Messy. Welcome to Gardening for Kids. It's time to learn, grow, and get a little messy with exciting projects. We've designed these activities to be super fun and educational, blending science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. Get ready for a hands-on experience that makes learning about nature exciting and engaging for young minds. Discover the joy of planting seeds and watching them grow into delicious food. It's a rewarding journey from start to finish. This program encourages children to explore the wonders of the natural world around them. Let's dig in and have some fun. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. We believe the best learning happens when you're having a blast. What we like. Get ready for some hands-on, messy fun with these engaging projects. This book cleverly integrates science, technology, engineering, arts, and math into gardening activities. If you want to encourage kids to learn through doing and enjoy the process of getting their hands dirty with educational activities, this is the perfect resource. What people say. Each project is enriched with meaningful STEAM connections, making it both fun and educational. The book is well laid out and gives instructions and hints for adults that can make the projects more enjoyable for kids of varying ages. I love the chart at the beginning of the book where you can quickly find projects that best suit your needs. It's easy to find a lesson that fits those requirements. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.